Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the Equalizer preset in your Soundcore AeroFit Pro headphones in your application. So actually, this can be done only in the Soundcore application. The application is called Soundcore, of course. If you want to know how to install this application setup on your Android device, there's no problem because we have the video for that. So just check it out. So now, once we're in the application, tap Sound Effects, tap here, for example, on the Custom EQ, and here you can just create a preset and have another preset. But if you go back, tap, for example, default here, you can see Soundcore Signature, Acoustic Bass Booster, Volume Booster, Classical, and more. If you tap more, you have a lot of cool options for the equalizer. Just tap and you are done. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.